की अगुवाई में प्री टीटीआर की नंबर 2 कंपनी का मार्चिंग था 6 टीटीआर की नंबर 3 कंपनी का, जिसकी कमान अडिग हौसला अटल इरादा लिए 6 टीटीआर की नंबर 4 कंपनी का नेतृत्व किया। बैंक की रेल कदम कदम बढ़ाएगा।
We are proud. Our youngsters are rising to the occasion. Our country also is going forward, not only in bravery but even in technology. Because the preparedness is extremely important. If we have to defend our country meaningfully, we have to be prepared. So I guess not only those of our armed forces, even our civilians also have to encourage them in their work. Together, we must take our country forward. And if we can work together, no force on this earth can keep India, what we respectfully call Bharat.